What's up guys, it's Kinseyrae. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this glueless lace frontal wig. It was really easy to do. I did it in only a couple steps, so if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, please just keep on watching. So the wig that I'll be using for this look is from Allove Hair, and it is their straight hair in 12 inches, and it is 100% virgin human hair, and it came in the color black, which I was really excited about because I didn't have to dye it. It's like a natural 1B kind of color. So as you can see, the hair is really nice and silky smooth. The hairline looks like it's already a little pre-plucked, and also it came with a little middle part, and it is a lace frontal wig, so it came with plenty of lace for you to customize. I will have all of their information in my description box, as well as a link to this unit so you can go and grab it for yourself, because trust me, it is definitely worth it, and it's cheap. Like, sis. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump into the video. The first thing that I'm doing is just taking some pins and pinning the wig down just so it doesn't move while I'm trying to work with it, because we don't need that happening. And now I'm just taking my comb and I'm getting a few hairs sectioned off in the front, and I'm just going to go in with my tweezers and just kind of pluck some of the hairs in the back. This way I can thin out the hairline and just make it look a little more natural. And after I'm done with the hairline, I'm gonna go in and start working on the part. As you can see, it already came kind of with like a little middle part, and I'm just gonna go in and pluck it a little more and just widen the part a little more, just to make it look a little more natural. And just to make the part look even more natural, I'm going to go off to the sides of the part and just kind of pluck a little bit of hair, just so the part isn't like a straight line. And we wanted to make it look a little more natural, like it's our natural hair. So that's what I'm doing right now. This is how the inside of the wig looks. It comes with 2 clips in the front, a clip in the back, and it also has 2 drawstrings. So now I'm just putting the wig on my head, and I'm just going to go ahead and begin cutting the lace and just customizing it to fit my head and my hairline. And since this is a bob wig and majority of the hair in the front is going to be covering the front of the frontal, I'm not really too worried about the hairline, because like I said, it's going to get covered by the hair anyway. So now I'm just going ahead and just cutting out any extra parts of the lace that I don't want to be seen. And now I'm just taking the wig off because I'm going to apply some concealer to the part just to make it look a little more natural. And I'm using my Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 385, and I just put it on my beauty blender, and I'm just kind of, you know, dabbing it into the center of the wig onto the part. And after I'm all done with the concealer, I'm just putting the wig back on and getting it positioned to how I want it to stay for the day. Alright, after I have it how I want it, I'm just taking my flat iron and just kind of going through a couple pieces just to get them nice and straight. And do y'all see that part? It is looking pretty natural, if I do say so myself. I am in love with the Fenty Beauty concealer. Like, it matches my skin literally perfectly. So yeah, I'm just going in, flat ironing these couple pieces. And I do have a widow's peak, so usually when I wear like lace frontals or closures, I end up having to pull my little widow's peak out because she be trying to peek through, so I just be like, okay, come on. So yeah, right here I'm just taking some gel and I'm just slicking it down, and that is actually the last step to this glueless frontal. This is how it turned out. I think it turned out really cute and really natural looking. I love me a nice bob, especially in the summertime because it's too hot to be having all that hair, and this is perfect. Also, I really love this wig because it's not too much hair. It's like just enough because you don't want a bob that's like too thick. So again, this is the 12-inch straight hair bob from Allove Hair Company. I will definitely have their information in my description box, also the links to this hair and how you get it and all that good stuff. Again, I really do love this wig, and I will definitely be getting my wear out of it this summer. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.